Here's a really cool car for you guys today. This is a 1969 Camaro SS. Really cool car, finished in Fathom green, the green interior. Check this thing out. Big Block 4-speed car. Solid lifter engine. Blower motor does work, but it's a little noisy. And you got your 4-speed transmission right there. Temperature gauge has been added. So this is a replacement engine. We believe this car to be an original SS396 car, but someone has put in a 375 horsepower clone engine with solid lifters, and it runs really strong. If you're interested in this car, make sure to go to our website, carsrememberwhen.com. We're going to have a detailed photo album of the car, including pictures of the undercarriage. Feel free to give us a call if you'd like to learn any more. Thanks.